Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
On this particular car, someone's been in here before trying to reinforce the undercarriage splash shield. So they have a lot of aftermarket hardware. There's various from 13mm sockets to 8 Phillips screwdrivers. So it's your vehicle, if it's factory, are different sizes. And if you've done some repairs or you have a used vehicle, you might have different sizes. So it all varies. There we go. The front splash shield and the back splash shield are stuck together because this bolt is completely rusted in the clip. I'm going to take them both down together, and that way I can access the backing clip a lot easier. To access the Foglight, you take the splash shield down like we did, and then you can go right through the fender well over here. You see me put my hand up in there and get that out of your way. Okay, you're going to disconnect the clip to the socket. Just push in tab and pull down. And then we're going to turn it clockwise and pull the bulb out. On this Mazda 07, this is an H11 fog light bulb, or driving lights, they call them. So to put it back in, you reassemble it, line up the clips, and counterclock, snap it in, feel it, reassemble your electrical connector, line the tabs up, snap it up in. I'm going to reassemble the front splash shield. Put this one up first. I'm going to put the center bolt in first. There's 5 total here. Guide everything up. Looks like this. The end tabs go over the plastic. Yeah, that one fell into place naturally. Now I can start my bolts. I'm probably going to tighten this one. Okay, that one's in. There we go. The side shield's broken. There we go. Doesn't help when the bumper's been crushed a little bit. There we go. Sweet. There should be 4 of these, 2 on both sides, but the passenger side, the inner fender wall has been cut out and missing, so I'm going to use some plastic wire ties. Someone already pre-drilled some holes, so I'm just going to put them right through the body clip. And one on the front. Cut the ends off. Yeah, get that clip in. And there you have it, we're done.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.